Bread making produced simple. How to create a rustic and chic basket for your house. There's nothing very like the aroma of recently baked bread drifting via your residence. It's a comforting scent that may promptly help make you feel at convenience. But if you're brand new to bread making, the process can seem to be intimidating. Relax assured, it doesn't have to be difficult. Along with the correct devices and procedures, you can easily generate scrumptious homemade bread along with convenience. One of the keys to productive bread making is having a correct spot to permit your money climb. Rather of utilizing a mundane outdated bowl, why not produce a rustic and fashionable basket? Not only does it offer a practical purpose, but it also includes an extra touch of beauty to your kitchen area. Therefore, how do you create your own bread rising basket? Here's what you'll require. Components. Woven wicker container. Cloth lining, optional. Flour sack towel. Cornmeal. Guidelines. Decide on your basket. The initial step is finding the ideal container for your demands. You want something along with an available weave that will certainly enable sky circulation around your dough as it rises. A wicker container is excellent for this objective. Collection your container, optional. If you want to include some extra flair to your basket or secure it coming from any kind of recurring dampness from the money, consider lining it with textile in an enjoyable print or color that complements your kitchen decor. 3. Prep your towel. Position a flour sack towel in the bottom of the container and clean it along with cornmeal. This will certainly protect against the money coming from sticking as well as provide some structure and taste to shell. 4. Shape your cache. Once you've prepared your basket, form your cache into whatever form you want. Round or oval typically function well, before positioning it in the facility of towel-lined wicker container. 5. Permit it climb. Cover the money with a clean towel and permit it climb until it has multiplied in measurements. The rising are going to commonly take a number of hours relying on the type of breadstuff you are helping make. 6. Bake. When your cache is prepared, take out it coming from the container and baked depending on your recipe's directions. That's all there is actually to creating a rustic and posh bread rising container for your property. It's a easy yet successful way to raise your bread making encounter. Plus, you can recycle the basket over and over once more for future baking ventures. In conclusion, producing homemade bread doesn't possess to be complicated. With a couple of basic tools and approaches, you can delight in fresh baked breadstuff in no opportunity.